everybody, I'm Susan from Srstyle. I hope everybody's having a great day. It's still really cold here in BC. A lot of snow, a lot of ice, a lot of slipping and sliding. So it's currently about 5 below and we're supposed to get more. So I hope everybody's having a great New Year's Eve. And we'll rock into the new year. Hopefully it will be great. But the way that it's going with all the outbreaks, and there's a lot of people in the hospital and a lot of people dying. So try to be positive, but it kind of wears on you. This is like it's going on what, the 3rd year? I mean, come on. When does it end? Does it ever end? Who knows? But I hope everybody's staying safe. And if you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Make sure you ring the bell to be notified every time I upload videos. And I'm doing a 500 subscriber giveaway, so make sure you subscribe, tell a friend, share my videos so it gets out there so I can do my giveaway. So I can't wait to do that. It's going to be a Loungefly mini backpack, so that's going to be pretty cool. So you can always need a Loungefly, and it's Disney themed, brand new. So alright, so you have anything to say, Mr. Ted?
Not at this time. I'm neutral.
So yeah, it's our anniversary, so we went and did some grocery shopping and got some dinner for our anniversary, so that was pretty cool. I always love to share it with my hubby, 'cause I love him so much. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. So do you guys have any fun things happening today or tonight, or you do anything special? We don't really do much. We just hang out. Okay, got a invoice, receipt. All right, it comes in a box like that. So let's see what we got from the shopping channel. Now in Canada, they only have one shopping channel, not like the States where they have millions. So when you're a shopaholic, you need more channels. All right, we're in. Let's see what we got here. Okay, got some literature. Okay, it comes in this little foam stuff. All right, so it looks like there's just one. So guess who it's for? My hubby Ted. He got the blue one, I got the rose gold, so mine should be coming. But these are pretty cool. Open it up. See, it's the blue one. So you got yours first. And it looks,
Only sent out one?
yeah, one at a time, I guess. So it looks like this, basically, and there's all these different little adapters, like on the top here, and you just and then there's one for like your phone. And then there's another one. It has like a little micro deal on it, like a little micro. And you just pull them straight out, push them over like that. And then there's another one like for your camera. Yeah, these are gonna be cool. And then you have this one at the end here. And you just open it up like that if you can. All right, and then this is a USB charger. And it just goes into the corner. So yeah, that's gonna work out pretty good for charging your phone, or you can charge your cameras, laptop. It's called Rush Charge. And that's the blue one. And we'll read up on it and see what's happening with that. Alright, so that one's yours, darling.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so that's my unboxing for today. I hope everybody's staying safe. Until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Srstyle with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys, and thanks for watching. Happy New Year. Many more to go. Happy New Year. We gotta go now. Bye, guys.